Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So here is the strawberry jam I made. Strawberry and plum from our backyard, and a little bit lemon to add a little bit acidity. And this is the big bottle. And I have some small bottles also. So, 1、2、3，okay, open it up, and I put this into hot water. I put this into cup and pull in hot water. I think that's enough. You can see the strawberry. Let me zoom in. That's the strawberry. I blended actually, and just a bottom of it, put some hot water. Nothing fancy. And one friend asked about strawberry tea. What tea do I use? There is no tea, only strawberry jam, homemade strawberry jam, and hot water. And that's it. And you can adjust the sweetness, the density of it. Let me close up the bottle lid so that it will keep hot. And that's it. Oh, it's not totally diluted. Then take a couple of minutes. Now it's diluted. You can see it's all even out. Stir a little bit. Now let's taste it. It tastes summer. Beautiful. Buon appetito.